In this video, we're going to show you how to boot the Hiltux Evaluation Live USB on a Windows 7 computer. The steps will be very similar for the production Live USB, and on this particular model of computer, this is a HP laptop. The only difference will be the function key that we press to get the boot menu, and then of course the layout of the boot menu itself may be different, but everything else should be the same. So follow along as we do this. The key to press to get the boot menu on this computer, an HP laptop, is escape. So that's what we want to press as soon as we press the power button. So we're going to press power, and we're going to immediately start pressing the escape key, and it brings up this menu where it tells us for the boot device option we need to press F9. So we press F9 and up pops the boot options menu where we select our USB device here, which is listed as the third one, and we're going to press enter. Then we get the Hiltux Live distro menu, and the one that we want to choose for a Windows computer is option number 1, which would boot anyway if we didn't press any key, but I pressed a key to make it stop so that you could see this menu. And if we were booting on a Mac, we would use option 2, the only difference being the way that the computer stores the clock time. And if you choose the wrong one, you'll just have the wrong clock time on your system when it boots up. So not a problem. You can just reboot and choose the other one, and it will correct the problem. But we're going to choose option 1 here, and it's going to bring up the Hiltux Penguin and some text here. It's going to clear the screen a couple of times and checks the memory, and it brings up this warning message. And I want to wait here for a few seconds because there'll be another message that pops up here that I want you to see, just so you are not really concerned or disconcerted when this pops up on your screen. This is just a message telling you that the time service has set the clock time based on the option that you chose in the Hiltux boot menu. So at this stage we can read this text, and if you agree, you can type Y and press enter. If you disagree, press N and press enter. We're going to go ahead and press Y here, and it's going to proceed to boot into the graphical environment. And once we hear the music and see this screen pop up, we know that we have successfully booted the computer into the evaluation wizard. And from here on out, the steps are pretty self-explanatory. You just follow the instructions and finish the evaluation process. Once you're done, you will need to come up to the top here of the Firefox window and close it out, and then come down to the power off button and double click that. It'll take it back into the text mode here, and within a few seconds the system will automatically power off. Now, as I said, the steps are the same if you're going to use the production Live USB, and the only thing that I would mention is that once you boot up in the production Live USB, you'll want to go ahead and plug in your webcam if you're going to be using it. But other than that, the process is the same. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.